Hey guys, it's Oskar from GoPrimate here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can grow a wider back by using leg assisted pull-ups. And the reason why using leg assisted pull-ups over body weight pull-ups is because often when you do body weight pull-ups you're going to use raw strength to pull yourself up, and you're not going to be able to activate the right muscles in the right way to get the stimulus and the growth that you want. But with the leg assisted pull-ups you can adjust the resistance yourself, which is going to allow you to activate the right muscles in the right way to get the right stimulus and the right growth that you want. So let's dive straight into the videos.
The very first thing you want to do is to pull your shoulder blades down to the halfway point, but not any lower than this. So don't pull them all the way down. From this position you can start performing the reps. To get the right activation in your lats, focus on pulling with your elbows and allow your elbows to travel far along the sides and land at your lower back. And because you're keeping your shoulder blades down throughout the whole exercise, this is going to cause you to lead the movement with the chest. So the chest is rising first. At the top of the movement you want to have a short 1 to 2 second squeeze, which is going to be a great chance for you to really feel the lats and the entire upper back activated. Use your legs to assist you in getting the repetitions in with a nice clean technique, and over time as you get stronger you're going to require less assistance from your legs and rely more on the upper body strength. You can have a slight backwards lean, or you can stay very vertical and upright with your upper body. These two ways will target the lats slightly differently, so have a play around with this to see which one suits you the best. And obviously you can make this exercise easier by assisting more with the legs and harder by assisting less with the legs.
And that's it for this video guys. If you liked the video, please leave the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and happy training.